Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to introduce you to a tool called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a rated YouTube video optimization and management toolkit that YouTubers who want to go professional use it to accelerate their growth and achieve their YouTube dreams. So today I'm going to take you one-on-one through the YouTube pricing. So, for those starting your journey and wanting to access a new YouTube tool for your growth, this is a package that I'm introducing you. For 1 month, the cost will be $3. But if you pick a package of a whole year, if you pick a package of the whole year, it will be charged $2.4 per month, at a total cost of $28 per month. So I, as a YouTuber, lifestyle tutorials, I have once you go in the description link, you will find my link. TubeBuddy Lifestyle Tutorials. This is my link. Once you use this link, you'll get 50% off discount. So ensure as you are upgrading, use my link. So we'll go to upgrade. Once we go to upgrade, TubeBuddy, as I said, you will pick for 1 month, one whole year. We said TubeBuddy helps you optimize your video tags. It ranks higher in the search engine and accelerate the growth of your audience and achieve your YouTube dreams. So, using my coupon, I will take you how you'll go about it. Once you come here and you use my coupon code, you'll be able to get 50% off the discount price. Let me demonstrate. And at that, you will be able I already showed you the link that you're going to use in the description box. This is my coupon. Once you use it, you'll get 50% off the discount price. So we'll come here to the coupon code. So you'll just enter my coupon code and you say apply. On applying, you'll get 50% off your channel. Those who have less than 1,000 subscribers. So ensure you get to my YouTube. You get to my description link. Use my link and subscribe to TubeBuddy. Thank you.